ladder supercooler? Weird. I mean, I guess that's cool. What?
Yeah.
The wrong radiator showed up from Mishimoto. I bought an LS3 radiator for like a 2008 Camaro, thinking I could just make it fit in this chassis. More than just it being a blonde moment, I'd say more it was just an exhausted and haven't slept all month moment, and I just, so dumb.
Contradiction.
Prep, and we're slowly picking away at things, and on the 20th we actually, Derek came back over to film, and I mixed the paint. Ivan walked me through the whole process of the 422 and thinning out the paint and adding, I'm not even going to remember all of this.
Contradiction.
Scott came over and gave him the side view mirrors, the rear bumper, the headlights, gave him more parts to bring over to the auto body shop to paint.
Yeah, painting this a body color would be really nice. And we might do like a smoke over the lens. Yeah. More stuff. These are beautiful.
What's up, guys? It's Zach Zwingfilms. So I'm currently building my M3 with a like an engine. So I'm super stressed out because I have to go to Sema on like 2 weeks or something like that.
24th, I decided to install the Felony form wide body kit. Couldn't wait any longer. Just wanted to see how that thing looked on the car, and got to finishing that up. That was exciting. You know, the first 3 weeks of October was kind of off and on working on that wide body kit and getting it painted and looking good, and we got it riveted on and looked amazing. It was a really big motivator in the build, and it was really awesome to get that installed.